and the wax ring had failed after probably 4 years. So I had seen this online, and it's a wax-free toilet seal that I bought at Lowe's, and I installed it, as you see. I'm not real good at editing, so bear with me. Okay, a week ago I had pulled the tank and replaced the tank bolts that holds it down to the stool, and now I'm going to take that back off and replace the wax ring with a wax-free ring. I'll get you some shots. Okay, I've got the tank pulled. Now I've got to get the water out of the bowl. I've got all the bolts, all the nuts off of everything. Getting ready to get the water out and pull the bowl. Alright, I have the wax, the old wax ring. I've got it all removed. And it was leaking down the pipe because there's a lead pipe that the flange goes around, and instead of leaking on the floor, it leaks down the pipe, which is down the basement, and it's concrete. So there's the toilet after I pulled it. Pam brought me some cleaner. I got to clean the bottom of the toilet before I put the wax-free whatever ring on there, and I have to measure. It is sticking above the floor to determine what part of the wax-free that I have to use. Okay, I have actually read the instructions, and the flange that is here is above, or half-inch above, more than half-inch above the floor, which is actually 9/16. And it said to remove the thick rubber and leave the thin rubber in it. So I used my carpenter tape measure to do it. It works pretty good. Alright. Okay, I've got the bowl set back down. I've got it tightened up. Don't want to tighten it too much. You'll break the bowl at the bottom. The wax just comes away from the bowl, and that's why it leaks. So now I'm getting ready to put the tank back on. Alright, got the tank back on, the water turned on, the tank's filling up. Then the moment of truth. I'll have to go downstairs in the basement and see if there's anything coming whenever it is flushed. Okay. Yeah. Okay, if you can see, I've signaled my wife to flush the toilet, and as far as I can see, it is not leaking. That's a beautiful piece of information right there. So we'll go with this for a few days. I've got the light down here in the basement and see if there's any water on the ledge, It's quite the mess right here. So I have no idea how they ever put this in to start with. There's a concrete ledge here that the pipe goes down through. And like I said, I don't see any water right this minute. So, and I know the valve and the water intake, all that is good and sealed. It's not leaking. So, if anybody sees this and they like, please like and subscribe and share with your friends and family. Alright.